You see it right here? Look, you see something red. That's
Something
like if you
red?
put in the car and you put a chain under it. It's a hook. Okay,
Yeah, I see.
you can jack it on there because that pull the car, that can lift, pull the.
There's a red thing. Yeah, that right there. That right there.
You never wrap that shit around there because you got all 4 pipes too close together.
This is exactly what's gonna happen.
Okay. Remember what I said. This is gonna work, but it's still gonna be noisy. It's not gonna be 100% quiet like it's supposed to be. But he wants to waste the $7 on that. That's what you do when you have money, okay? Because me, I don't have $7 right now till the 3rd. So I could have spent $7 and then go have to buy another one.
This is my experience with this tape. Let's see how it does when it cures. But right now, I do not recommend. And after 20 minutes, thing sucks. Would not recommend. Doesn't come with everything you need.